Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to explain how you can create lead record in bulk, and for this we are going to use the Salesforce data loader tool that is efficient in handling the bulk data. So in Salesforce, leads are the very first stage of a sales pipeline. So let me take you to the Salesforce developer console, and there I will show you where are the lead records and how we can create a lead. So right now I am on the setup page of Salesforce Lightning, and from here we will navigate to the leads tab. So for that, click on the app launcher and here search and select leads. So in the leads view, you can see these are the lead records. So for example, you have to create a new leads. So for that, you have to click on the new button. So in this window, you have to enter the required fields to create a lead record. For example, here I will show you how you can create a lead record. So here I will enter the first name. So like this, you have to enter the field values in the lead form. And after this, you have to simply click on the save button to create a lead record. And as we click on the save, the lead record will be created. But when you have to create multiple lead records, so for example, your organization hosted a campaign and from there the sales team collected the information of the potential customers. So that's what we call a leads. And the sales team have collected the leads information in a document, let's say a CSV file. So using that CSV file, we can create or insert multiple leads in Salesforce using the Salesforce data loader tool. So this is the UI of data loader tool, and here you can see the insert, update, upsert, delete, undelete, export and export all. So in this data operation we are going to perform the insert operation. So data loader is a client application, so it is required to install data loader in your system, then only you will be able to access and use it. And if you haven't installed the data loader in your system, then I will also give the video link in the description. So let's start the process of inserting multiple leads. And before that, I would like to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So this is our newly launched Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description. And here you can see we have covered this course in the 10 modules, and you will get 50 plus hours of video content. And along with that, you will also get PDFs and solution. And once you purchase this course, you will have a lifetime access of this. So here you can see the modules that we have covered in this course. And as of now, we have kept the price for $149. So from here, you can buy this course. So check out this course. I will mention the course link in the description. And now let's move back to the topic. So to insert the lead with the help of data loader, we first need to create a CSV file. So these are the header columns that are required to create a lead record using the data loader. So in the header columns, I have included first name, last name, company, email, lead source, phone, and the status. So first let's populate these field columns. So as of now, I have populated the values of the field column, first name, last name, company, and the email. So now comes the lead source. So lead source is a pick list. And when you have a pick list field in your CSV file, then make sure that you have entered the correct value. So to check the values, we can simply go to the object. So this is the lead object tab that I have navigated from the object manager. And here in the fields and relationships, I will search and select the lead source. So here is the picklist field lead source, and from here I can view the values of this picklist field. So here you can see these are the values. So for example, I want the lead source as web and phone inquiry for these records. So here I will enter the lead source according to the values that we have seen in the picklist field. And now we will enter the phone details in the phone column. At last we will enter the status field column. So it is again a pick list field. So here I will check the values for this pick list field as well. So here I'm going to keep the lead status as open not contacted for all the leads. So as of now our CSV file is completed, and now we have to save this file on the location from where it can be accessed to the Salesforce data loader. And make sure that you have saved this file in the CSV format only, because data loader accepts only the files that are in the CSV format. And after saving the CSV file, we will again open the data loader tool. So as I've told you that we are going to perform the data insert operation, so I will click on the insert button in the data loader, and here I will log in with my credentials. So as of now I got the access. So in the second step we have to select the object. So here we are inserting the lead record, so we will search and select the lead object, and after selecting the object we will browse the CSV file that we have created right now, and then click on the next button. So as we click on the next, the data loader will initialize the CSV file and display the number of rows that are there in the file. So here click on the OK button to proceed. And in the mapping window, you have to click on the button create or edit a map. And if you have the updated version of the data loader, that is after 62 point, then you will see already mapped field columns over here. And in case they are not auto mapped, then you have to click on the button create or edit a map. and here you have to click on the button auto match field to the columns, and still if any of the field is not auto matched, then you have to drag the Salesforce object field down to the column mapping. So in our case all fields are auto matched, so we will click on the OK button and here click next to proceed. So this file is the location for the error and the success file that you will get after the completion of the data insertion. So at last click on the file button and here click yes to proceed. So now you can see we got 5 successes and 1 error. So first let's see what error we got. So in the error we missed the last name and the company. So make sure that you have entered all the details while inserting the lead using the data loader or any of the object that you are inserting via the data loader. Make sure that you have entered all the required fields. And now we will see the success lead inserts. So here you can see these are the lead records that we have inserted successfully using the Salesforce data loader. And here you can also see this status as item created. So this is how you can create or insert multiple leads, or you can say lead records in bulk in Salesforce using the Salesforce data loader tool. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.